Happy Easter, folks. If you want to be an investor or trader, make money weekly, any bracket, any income level or educational level, we have it for you. We're going to give you $200 in free education, 15-day free trial, and the new TradeGBT. You heard me right. TradeGBT just came out, which is going to help you in your trading. If you're an algo trader, if you're a regular trader, if you have coaches, doesn't matter. You're going to click here. You're going to sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to watch this video on Wednesday nights, rapid fire, 70 stocks in 60 minutes. This shows you exactly entry, exit, and direction. You're going to take that information. We're going to give you this link. You're going to put it in. Here's the trade, folks. It tells you how to do it. In fact, we're already up in one day based on this information by using coaches and AI technology. Wow. Mind blowing. Woo.